Just really quickly, I want to say I had a breathing breakthrough this morning, and I think I'm starting to feel how to raise and lower my diaphragm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Susan and Bob's exercises are supposed to make me sound more standard. But I just find myself in awe of how my voice works.
La, la, la.
Resonation, throat, larynx in the middle of the throat.
I'm going to be moving that larynx up and down and all around.
Apparently, my stomach has decided to get in on the action and develop a strong, powerful, authentic voice of its own.
They turned. He looked down at her, and she looked up at him.
So maybe a breakthrough. Oh, I am a speaker.